Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the first time I am making video using my Mac terminal. And yes, today I'm going to teach you about how you can generate a barcode. Sorry, not the barcode, a QR code using the Python. Let's see. So for generating the QR code, we need two packages. First is QR code package. The second is the pillow package. Let's see how we can install that. I'm installing the QR code package. Next, I will be installing the pillow package. So pillow is just an image library, okay, which is used to convert that QR code into an image format. Okay, let's switch to the Python terminal and import the QR code. Here, importing of pillow is not at all required. It implicitly imports with the QR code. Okay, so guys, what do we need for generating a QR code? Let's assume I'll be using a simple what do you call let's take a simple text, right? Not nothing specific. Let's create assign it variable, dummy variable, where to be, hey bye bye. Okay, we're assigning the variable. Let's try to create the QR code. So let's name the QR code to be QR code, and then use QR code dot make. So make function is used to convert that particular string to the QR code. Here you can see. So let's see what is the type of QR code. Here you can see. So here it clearly says QR code is an image of which type is an image of PIL.image type. Okay. So now we have if you print simple QR code, you'll get the type object. Okay, so now we have an object ready, but right now it is still an object. It is not converted to an image. Okay, so how can we convert to an image? For this we will be using the pillow library directly. We can, so this is already of pillow type, right? You can see pill image type. So pill image type dot save method will save this file to the particular location. Let's see what I want to assign. I'll move it to the downloads folder. Okay, let's name it qrcode.png and hit it. Something bad with the structure. Okay, what I'll do, I'll simply store it to the home path. Okay, oh sorry, my bad guys, I was not using the forward slash at the beginning. Here you go. You can see the file has been saved as a png file. um, I'll attach that file in the video image section. You can see that. So this is the simple code how you can generate a QR. Okay, I'll attach this code to the comments to the description section of the video as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like and subscribe it.